This is Scott Tripp, the CEO of Neurai. Happy to be here today. Happy to get you on here for something a little bit different. Since we are a large trading community, I feel it's important to maybe show some trading strategies to all of you and support you in what you guys are doing. So let's go ahead with that today. So the first one that I actually want to look at is the DXY. For us here in Canada, in the US, and North America, it's important to know about the DXY and what's going on. So a 570-day long support level has been activated and a reversal is now taking place on the UD dollar index DXY. This means the DXY is now turning bullish for the first time since 2024, the June of 2024. The support level in question, marked on the chart with an orange line, which you can see here, which are the lows, marked the end of a major decline in late 2023 December. As soon as this level was hit around 100.617, the DXY entered a 4-month long bullish wave. This same long-term support level supported the DXY back in April and February of 2023. The next rise is set to push this index around 105, can be a bit lower or a bit higher. This would be the initial move. This rise can last between 2 to 3 months. Initial, if the bullish move will be continued, we'll only ascertain after the first leg up is in. Knowing the significance of this index, how it relates inversely to cryptocurrency and stock market, as well as socio-political stability, we can assume that things are about to get rough. In short, war is about to intensify and everything is set to experience a major leg down, a global-wide instead of market-wide correction, a major financial flush, the global reset. Now, I'm not too sure about that. This is the first signal. It confirms everything we've been seeing in the past month. It confirms a bearish bias on the stock index. It supports the intensification of Bitcoin correction in the ensuing months. Panic will set in, but it will not be the end of the world. After the major market flush is over, it'll feel like when a hurricane passes through your town. Everything is down in pieces, but the air is clean and it feels really peaceful and calm. There's no time to cry. We all stand up to start to rebuild. In time, disaster will be memory, and we'll use the experience for growth. So, in the end, if the DXY goes up, in all honesty, Bitcoin is going to go down. That's my personal experience. The last bull market or bear market, the DXI was rising up. It went all the way up to like 120, I believe, if I remember correctly. Like it was up there. Maybe not. Maybe the top was at that 107 mark, but I was feeling it was a lot higher than that the last bear market. But the thing is, if the DXY goes up, then we're going to have to look at the Bitcoin market as going down. Like, it's just something to be aware of, guys. I don't know why he's saying that it's not going to go up. If it loses support, though, like he's suggesting the low, if we see that low go down, then yes, 100%, we will see the Bitcoin market go up and the stock market probably separate from Bitcoin and it continue down, but it needs to lose that support level as far as I'm concerned. The next one, Bitcoin, huge bull trap, best time to sell. Everyone is turning very bullish, which is not good for the crypto market. With the upcoming bloody September, we have strong confluence to sell Bitcoin with the current market price of 63,800. Why are Bitcoin and the whole crypto in a bear market? On the chart, we can see the price is printing lower lows and lower highs, which is by definition a downtrend. It has been like this since March 2024, and nothing has changed since then. We can see the prices inside this descending parallel channel on the daily chart. There are no signs of strength in higher time frames. Bulls didn't prove their strength yet, so to me, it looks like a bull trap, and will see a 30% crash. From the Elliott wave perspective, we have an ABC correction so far, and it's too early to tell if this will turn into an impulsive wave or not. But right now, this is a corrective structure. The problem that everyone is turning bullish again, everyone sees a huge bull market, but usually the market does the opposite. Let me know what you think about this analysis in the comment section. So he's just asking for you to leave a comment. This guy's name Zanrock on TradingView. So if you want to give him a view, the interesting thing though, somebody was saying that it was turning into a big bull, big cup and handle, but I don't know if that's proper 100% or not, or if we're going to see the downtrend. To me, I would feel like it's gonna go up from that market. Like if it goes down below 60, it's just really dependent. Everyone marks it differently. My feeling is after the weekend, if the political situation doesn't improve and things start going downhill in the US, I think we're going to see Bitcoin actually go up. But I want to give all people strategies of what they feel are going on right now. So right now, there is a lot of shorting mentality in the market. Is it going to follow suit? That's up to you guys in the market to make that decision. It's always not financial advice on my end, but keep an eye on the market and see what you think. And then I picked Ethereum too, being one of the bigger ones as well. So ETH broke down, sent it lower, found some interesting areas of interest using the OHL, open high low this year and previous year. There's a strong interest zone between 24 and 2000. I found lots of confluence. Yearly open marked by red line. So is red line would be right there, I believe. Yeah. With yearly highs and lows marked in black. And then the black line would be that line there, I believe, going for your lows. Yearly open at 2282. The yearly low at 2095. 2023 yearly high at 2447. April 2023 high point orange arrow, similar point to the yearly low at 2095. So right there, let's see that 2095. Price coming below the 200-day MA and 52-week MA. August to October timeframe seasonality, similar chart setup as last year. I'm not an ETH bull anymore, but I think this chart here shows a good longer term setup. The fourth year in the cycle is typically the strongest, and I expect this time not to be any different. Can also see how the 2022 year high and open at 3,800 act as strong resistance thus far in 2024. They're really going to let us run it back again. So he feels that the Ethereum market right now is going to go up. It's kind of different than the Bitcoin bear that we listened to before. This username is BHX10. So just something to be aware of. Are we going to see Ethereum round up now? Are we going to see a new all-time high potentially? I think with the ETFs, there is a huge potential. And like I mentioned, the political situation right now, I think we're going to see some new highs within Ethereum and Bitcoin myself. And then the last article today, update, ton analysis, bull or bear. And I love the ton coin. I do find it interesting, especially with Pavel Durov. He was just arrested recently. It was in one of my last YouTube videos that ton price actually went up upon his release, which I had an idea that that was going to happen just because when you do have the CEO of a company get released, I mean, it's a positive thing for the ton market, and you did see a nice increase in price. But let's read this. The weekly candle close of the under the midline. It means price can drop to the bottom of the channel and complete the downward wave and then increase. So he's saying he could see the price drop down to that uh be around that $4 mark roughly. But let's just read. Uh, and he said previous analysis before, he was suggesting the same thing. It was going to go down. He's following through with the same trend that he said before. So, I mean, he's been right so far. This gentleman goes by the name Cobra Vanguard. So just be aware of this, guys. He feels like it's going to retest the low channel of this ascending triangle, and then you're going to see the price shoot up and potentially over that $10 mark, which would be incredible, just like it did before. $10, where does it go from there? Time will only tell. 11, 12, $13, and then probably continue on that triangle, but who really knows? But I hope this helps you guys with your trading strategies and what you're going to do when the week opens up. So I appreciate you taking the time with me today. COPX appreciates you as our trading community. So keep doing what you're doing, stay positive, and let's see this market really go into the bull market as far as I'm concerned. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.